Hey guys, Stephen Feelers here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Extang's Solid Fold 2.0 truck bed cover. With Extang, we actually have Todd. How you doing, Todd?
Doing well, thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming out today and helping us with this install. So Todd, tell us more about the cover itself.
So the Extang Solid Fold 2.0 is a hard tri-folding truck bed cover. It's very, very easy to use. Basically, when you get the cover, you'll take it out of the box, lay it on the bed, unfold it, make sure you're aligned and have the cover sitting where you want it to sit, and you'll engage 4 clamps. Typically, you can have a cover installed in about 5 minutes. If you have a cover that incorporates a cargo management system, or if you have a ram box or a ridge line, we may have some extra hardware for you to install, but for the most popular trucks, 4 clamps is all you'll need to manipulate, and you can accomplish an installation in under 5 minutes.
Easy enough. So fill us in on some of the features here.
So the Solid Fold 2.0 is the only hard tri-folding truck bed cover out there that uses a TPO top skin. Automotive grade thermoplastic skin that has an incredible dent resistant quality to it, more so than an aluminum or FRP skin that we see in a lot of our competition's covers. It's a feature exclusive to Extang hard tri-folding truck bed covers, so you'll see it on the Solid Fold 2.0. You'll also see it on the Extang Encore hard tri-folding truck bed cover. But around the panel and around that top skin, we use a powder coated aluminum frame. That powder coated frame is extruded so it'll accept a snap-on bulb or fin seal. Again, a feature that's exclusive to Extang tri-folding truck bed covers. Those snap-on seals don't use any adhesive. They're going to hold up better over the long run. They won't peel off in winter climates. They'll hold up to the rain that you see in the springtime. But again, features that are only exclusive to Extang tri-folding truck bed covers.
Great. Well, some of our viewers may be thinking to themselves, haven't I already seen this video?
Yep.
And well, that's not the case. We actually have some new features to talk about. So Todd, fill us in on those.
Absolutely. So we've given an upgrade to both of our clamps in the cab and the rear portion of the truck bed cover. The cab clamp is now what we call our jaw grip clamp. Very easy to install. You can get those engaged in under 30 seconds, but you'll make a slight adjustment to the upper portion of the clamp. You'll rotate the upper portion of the clamp around the bolt so that you'll set the height of the bottom portion of that black pad so it's level with the bottom of the bed rail flange. Then as you tighten it, the jaw grip will slip behind the bed rail flange. It'll rise and it'll also grab the bed rail flange. So that clamp now incorporates lateral and downward force. It's a key feature for us. We want to make sure that when people are installing that clamp that they're not going to damage their bed rail flange, and by incorporating that lateral force into this new clamp, we've achieved that. We've also given an upgrade to our rear clamp. The Easy Lock clamp now requires less force to operate the clamp. It's still a spring-loaded clamp. You slide it out to the perimeter, pull it down and release, and it'll grab the bed rail flange, and it'll actually lock in place now, which is a feature we didn't have on the Solid Fold 2.0 or the Trifecta original clamp. With each of the clamps, you want to make sure that you're sliding it at a slight angle. When you rotate the clamps into a vertical position, you'll meet a little bit of friction or resistance, and that's by design. So when you're sliding the clamps inward or outward towards the bed rail flange, just make sure you have them at a slight angle, and the cover will be really, really easy to use and install or remove.
Very true. So Todd, where is the cover made, and tell us some more about the warranty.
So Extang Solid Fold 2.0s and every Extang truck bed cover are manufactured in Ann Arbor, Michigan. We've got an incredibly capable team in our operations. It's a TS and ISO certified production facility, so you're guaranteed to get a quality product coming out. The Solid Fold 2.0 carries a 3-year warranty for manufacturer's defects, so it's akin to a 3-year 36 that you see from a lot of the manufacturers on the truck.
Perfect. Well, guys at home, like Todd said, the installation was super easy to do. It really all requires just to straighten up the cover to the bed. It's really just some alignment and then some tightening of some clamps there. Really takes under 5 minutes to do on your own. With a buddy, less than that. So super simple to do and very easy to manage on your own. Guys at home, that's all there is to it. And Todd, thank you again for coming out today.
Glad to be here. Thanks again.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you again. So if you want any more details about the Solid Fold 2.0, check that description below. Everything will be listed for you there, as well as the part number and even a dealer locator, so you can find this product at a dealer near you. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.